Hi kids and welcome to LIGAYA TV. I am Ate Tay.
And I am Ate Jazz.
For today's video, sasamahan niyo kami ni Ate Jazz magbilang ng 1 to 20.
Yes, count with us from 1 to 20. It's going to be so much fun.
Handa na ba kayo? Let's start and count together.
1,
Number 2,
3,
4,
5,
6,
7,
8,
9,
10,
11,
12,
13,
14,
15,
16,
17,
18,
19,
and last, 20. Wow! Ang galing ninyo, guys!
Great job, kids!
Pero ngayon, let's see how well you can count on your own.
Count the clouds in the sky and tell us how many there are.
Kaya niyo yan, kids!
The answer is 8.
How about another one? Count the flowers on the ground and tell us how many are there.
Go, go, go!
The answer is 13!
Nice one, kids! Ngayon, sabihin nyo sa amin how many stars are up in the sky and count them. The answer is 19.
Wow! Marunong na kayo magbilang, kids! Let's do one more.
Count the apples on the tree and tell us how many there are.
And the answer is 6!
Great job, kids! Now you know how to count from 1 to 20.
It's easy, right? Just keep practicing. Learning how to count is fun.
Thank you for listening and counting with us, kids. Sana may natutunan kayo from today's lesson with Ate Jazz
And Ate Tay! Maraming salamat!
See you next time!